Traveling to the UK and want internet right when you land? Forget searching for SIM cards at the airport or paying roaming fees with your carrier. The easiest and most modern option is using an eSIM. If you're wondering which one to choose, Olafly is one of the strongest options on the market. Here's what makes Olafly stand out in the UK. Unlimited data, perfect for Google Maps, Uber, Stories, or remote work. Nationwide coverage, from major cities to rural areas. No VPNs or complicated settings required. 24/7 support in English in case anything goes wrong. Flexible plans, whether you stay a few days or several weeks. And the best part, you keep your WhatsApp number and don't lose your chats. You only need two things: a compatible device, iPhone XR or newer, Samsung Galaxy S20 or newer, Google Pixel 5 Plus, and more. You can check the full list in the link below. Wi-Fi before you travel, so you can activate your eSIM stress-free. Activation is extremely simple. Go to the Olafly website, link in the description. Search for United Kingdom and pick the plan that fits your trip. Buy it, you'll receive a QR code by email. Open settings, mobile data, add eSIM, scan QR code, follow the instructions, and that's it. Arrive at Heathrow, turn on your phone, and you're connected. Olafly also has Europe-wide and global plans, perfect if you're heading to France, Ireland, Germany, or even leaving the continent. One purchase, one eSIM, no SIM swaps, no hunting for Wi-Fi. So if you want to travel to the UK connected from the first minute, without hassle and without paying extra roaming fees, Olafly is a very solid choice. Link is in the description so you can buy it and check device compatibility. And don't forget to use the discount code. See you in the next video, have an amazing trip, and enjoy the UK.